So how do you celebrate Easter without spending oodles of money with whatever is lying around the house? So that's what Jana has been asking me. So Jana, you have a question, right? That
Yeah.
we have to do Easter. We all want to celebrate Easter, but since it comes quite quickly after Christmas, we would like to spend as little money as possible.
That's right, yeah.
And we would nonetheless, we would want to have a fairly grand celebration.
Yeah.
To color Easter eggs naturally, raid your pantry. Grab some turmeric and tea. Turmeric is a very strong natural dye, as is tea. In fact, different types of tea give you different shades of beige, peach, and brown. Do you have tea in your pantry that's past use by date? Don't bin it. Use it to dye your Easter eggs, fabrics, and trims. You may also use beetroot for a deep red color and charcoal for shades of black and grey. Now, you will ask me, Samita, how long do we soak the eggs for? For as long as you want. The longer you soak, the darker the color. I quite like how the tea leaves are latching onto the eggs, giving the eggs a textured appearance. The eggs are now stained, but they are looking a little bald. Let's give them some interesting caps. I am using a tube that came with some gift wrapping paper. But if you have been hoarding toilet paper over the last 2 years, you may use toilet roll tubes. Cut diskettes out of the tubes and give the tubes pretty crests or plumes. I am using pink ribbons I saved from the lanyards of trade shows I attend. So you see, now my Easter eggs are wearing pretty pink hats. So that's how you plan for Easter without spending oodles of money, just recycling, using what you have lying around the house. So Jana, how do you think we went? Were you happy?
I think we went very well, yeah. Thank you so much for showing me, and happy Easter.
Happy Easter to all of you. And if you are liking our videos, you know what to do. 4 things: like, comment, share and subscribe. Spread the Learn with Samita buzz among your friends, family, pets, neighbors, colleagues, anyone and everyone. We need your support. Give us the thumbs up. Till next time, bye for now. We are coming to you next week with an awesome video. Till then.